remember that lahat ng partido except PDP, nung nanalo si President Marcos, I am not saying anything against it. Maybe he's a very good tactician na nakuha niya lahat. Ang partido, he was able to gather everybody and everything at natunaw. Wala namang partido. Wala ka nang marinig na partidong no more except PDP. Ito pala yun. Itong government service. Fundamentally, it's not really something which would really be highly profitable. But if you are content with just the simple things in life, government service would be good. Na, hindi ako pupunta ng malayo, total, tapos na rin ako, whether or not, in your judgment, I succeeded o nagnakaw ba ko o hindi. Nasa inyo na yan eh. Hindi ko mapipilit. I cannot proclaim to the world that I was the most honest public official in the land. Nor would I say na ako yung pinakamaraming, alam mo, public service talaga. I started my career sa para makuha ninyo ang the essence of public office. I started as a special counsel sa prosecution's office. Yun yung pinakamababa. Then I was appointed prosecutor 4, rose from the ranks 3-2. Hindi ako umabot ng 1 because inabot ako ng election and I became the vice mayor of Davao City. From then on, tuloy-tuloy na ako. I never lost an election. I became mayor for several, many times over. Naka 9 years ako plus another set of 9 years. Became a congressman and eventually I became president. Ang masabi ko sa public office na kung kontento ka lang, as you go along higher, it will improve your environment, your situation. Kasi medyo malaki yung pera eh. Makapag-aral ang mga anak mo. And kung maging politika ka, nasa politika ka, medyo marami kasi ang allowances and everything. Pwede ka makapagpadala ng anak mo sa Manila, aral sila doon. Pero kung sabihin mo na 10, hindi na kaya yan. 1 or 2 or 3, pwede ka makapag-aral ng, just like my father. My father was governor for 3 years plus. Nakapag-aral kami, ako, pati yung kapatid ko. Yung iba, dito na. Lumalaki na kasi yung expenses. Bata pa kami. Medyo kaya pa. Pero yung lumalaki kami, nag-asawa na, kailangan na ng tulong yung iba. Medyo lumiit yung, so sila, dito na lang kayo. Kasi yung mga kapatid ninyo, may asawa na, kailangan ng tulong. You know, when you get to start in life, you are not that well off. Ang akin lang, because from a prosecutor, I was lucky enough to be a mayor and then eventually president. Nung na-presidente na ako, wala ng kasos kasi halos tapos na lahat. So yan lang ang maano ko sa inyo that maybe kung naisipan ninyo to join the public service, not politics, okay yan. Maganda. If you are sincere and you are really competent in your estimation na kaya mo, try it. Give it a try. Dito sa harap ko, marami na akong nakikita dito na nasa politika na. And they're making good. Yung perception na wag ninyong disabuse the mind na yung mga politiko na sabihin mo na dyan sa politicians rather na nasa gobyerno. Meron, pero hindi lahat. It depends on the opportunity sa office. Lalo na yung walang accounting. You can get the money and spend it just like as if it is your own. And there is probably no strict audit or an accounting for that money. But kung ikaw matino ka, you will gawin mo lang yung tama. Ayaw ko nang mamalayo kasi wala akong maituro dito na hindi ko kilala kung anong history nila. But I started as a special counsel, prosecutor, then mayor, eventually diretso ako sa presidency. Nadumaan ako sa presidency. My life is an open book. Kung saan ako nanggaling noong mayor pa ako, vice mayor pa ako, naging presidente ako, pagkatapos ko sa public service, nung fiscal pa ako, yung bahay ko sa Dunya Luisa, ganun na yun. Anyat nakapag-paaral ako sa kanila. Sa ibaw ng pera, ito, pinaaral ko sa San Beda kasi galing ako doon. Bingbong, Medialdia. College of Law, San Beda rin yan. Ito po rin iba, dito ko na sa si Inday, dito lang yan. Ito sana kasi gusto kong kumuha ng law. Ang nangyari, common law lahat. Sandi. Sabi ko, kumuha ka ng law. After a few years, common laws na lahat. Ganun talaga sa buhay. Ginusto ko man. O hindi mo makuha lahat. So, ganun lang ang short of relating to you what are the venets of life. Dito tayo, magkikita man tayo muli. It's a long way. Remember that lahat ng partido except PDP, nung nanalo si President Marcos, I am not saying anything against it. Maybe he's a very good tactician na nakuha niya lahat ang partido, he was able to gather everybody and everything at natunaw. Wala namang partido. Wala ka nang marinig na partidong no more except PDP.